Hi guys, Brian with Canadian Spa Company. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to replace a perimeter LED light lens. So this is what the light is actually looks like under the spray foam that's going to be installed on your spa. So the first step is going to be stripping away the spray foam so we can actually work with the lens backing. So in here you can see, you just make out where the light connects. Easiest way to pinpoint is to feel where the lens is on the inside of the tub. Now I would suggest using needle nose pliers just to clear away accurately the spray foam that you need to clear away. Bit by bit. Really have to clear away enough of it to get to the bolt. So now all we've done is cleared away enough spray foam so that we can see the white nylon nut that secures the lens into the tub. So now we can just see the white nylon, and that's really all we need to get to remove the lens. Now the next step will be to actually move the LED light out of the way. It's got this rubber backing that covers the back of the lens. Easiest way to get that off is something small, simple, like a paper clip bent, because it can get stuck on the ridges for the threads for the nylon bolt. So you might just need to wiggle the paper clip in there, work it around so that you can actually remove it from the lens. And you can just push the light down out of the way. Now we're just going to be working with that white nylon nut that secures the lens in place. You're going to want to hold the other side of the lens so that only that bolt is turning. Just using a regular set of pliers here. This will take some time depending on the amount of clearance you've given yourself. Don't worry too much about stripping away too much spray foam. You can replace it quite easily. And even if you don't, you're not going to lose much heat retention at all just from this small site. Once you get it loose enough, you should be able to get it loose enough to just use your fingers. Unless you get some spray foam caught. So there we've got the white nylon nut off. You can actually just pull that lens out and then replacement. Make sure you've got the O-ring or the seal on the back of the lens, and we're just going to slip this one back into the setting on the spa, and we're just going to got it backwards. And then you just simply tighten that nut back up. So that's fairly tight with just my fingers, and then I'm going to finish with pliers. Don't want to go too tight. Remember, it does have that O-ring, so it will seal. So that is just about right. I'll bring our light back up. and reinsert it into the back of the lens. And you are done. You just have to replace the cabinet panels. If you really feel like respray foaming that, you can. Again, you're not going to lose much heat from that site at all. Alright, that was it. That's how you replace a perimeter LED light lens on your acrylic hot tub.